front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by exiting Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now you need to type iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. Following that, click on Open. Now select Allow in the pop-ups and then click Home button. After that, you need to select iOS Launcher by tapping on it and select Always. Finally, click on Get It, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my tablet. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!